Hello dear Leo, welcome to my channel and this is your August monthly reading. This is going to cover everything, the love, the career, the money, the business, whatever the cards reveal to us, right? A lot of people message me and ask me, ma'am, what about health? What about health? If the cards are not talking about health, that means the health related card is not coming, which only means that there is no major issue. Otherwise, I would have mentioned it in my video. So your cards are already out. Let's begin. You have got the Four of Moons and the Fool card. In the first week, I do see that somebody abandoned you, left you, did not choose you, chose somebody else. That person is now really regretting their decision. This person has acted like a fool. They made a foolish choice. They treated you really badly and now they are coming back. In the first week, you will be hearing from them very, very soon. Somebody who did not respect you enough. This person is going to come back with an apology. Probably they will also confess their feelings to you. They might even explain why they did what they did, right? And they will expect you to take them back, right? To start afresh, to forget whatever happened in the past and to forgive them. Now it's totally up to you whether you want to or not. But I do feel that you are still longing for them. You're still very hurt. So that will totally depend on your choice, right? What you are choosing and how much this person actually hurt you. But yes, be prepared. This person is coming back. The second week, you have got the Three of Moons and the Seven of Suns. I also see that in your career, probably you're waiting for some sort of new beginning or celebration, or even in your personal life, maybe you're waiting now that this person has come back. They will, automatically propose me for marriage and things will speed up and automatically it will happen. But unfortunately, that's not how things are going for you. There is delay. Okay, there are struggles. There are still blockages within the two of you or with your work. If you're expecting a job offer or if you're expecting confirmation from some exam, there is a delay, like the communication maybe was supposed to come but now you got the notification that it's going to happen in the next month or something like that. So unreasonable delays will happen for you. Some clients will cancel the meetings, right, which will cause a lot of frustration to you as well. And if this relationship will not move at a speed that you want to, obviously there will be frustration and stagnation in your life. But the cards are saying after a lot of struggles, there is going to be eventual success for you. So this is like a mountain you will have to climb. The second week will require more of your efforts in your relationships and work. It will be like, oh my God, I'm giving my 100% but not getting anything in return. But know that this is a card of eventual success. You might not see it this week, you might not see it very soon, but eventually you will be rising to the top. Okay, it might take a while, but it is like a time of struggle. So please continue to give your efforts and do not give up on something which is not giving you immediate return. In the third week, you have got the Nine of Stars and the Page card. Now this tells me hurt, okay? Like probably you have given up on someone or a situation. A new person is going to also come your way. In the third week, you can expect a stranger to take you by surprise. This person will be extraordinary. This person will not be the same as everyone else. This person can be a very hardworking and dedicated person in their fields. And they also have a habit of sugarcoating things rather than saying things out loud. So look out for this person because I do see that some of you would want to move into a new direction and give a stranger a new chance, right? If that is you, there will be somebody coming up for you. I also see that in your work, if you're not getting a job, you might take help from a random stranger, like randomly sending your CV to, on LinkedIn, taking help from somebody who you think can help you, who's in a good position, and you might get some opportunity your way. It can be a slow moving energy, but I do see that uh, good results will come from it. So try to tie up with a stranger. Don't think that how can this person help me? They might be, okay? They might just be the right person that you're looking for. Coming to the fourth week, you've got the One of Spades and the Five of Suns. Here we have very good cards which talk about success, new beginnings for you guys in love or professionally. I do feel that in your career, if you were giving exam, competitive exam, if you were applying for jobs or promotions, or if you have your business which is a very common business where you have a lot of sorry about that, where you have a lot of competition, right? This is a time where you will be chosen. If you think that I don't know that the customer is going to come to me, the client is going to come to me, or if they are going to hire me or not, or if I'm going to clear the exam or not, because there are so many students, worry not. No matter how tough the competition is, you will be getting a lot of success. Success is coming your way. You will be chosen, is what I see. Also, there is a lot of rivalry. Like I said, there is also a lot of jealousy around you. In your personal life, also, if you think that you are in a situationship, right, where your partner is still exploring a lot of multiple options, where they're still through dating apps or matrimonial apps, you're worried if this person is going to choose you or not. Similarly, if you're in a relationship or marriage, if you think that your partner is more inclined to listening to their, your in-laws or their friends, they will be choosing you. In some way, you will come out as victorious or successful in a particular situation. I do see jealousy. You attract a lot of jealousy because you show a lot of pride. Now, this thing can cause your success, or you being chosen by your loved one can cause you a lot of pride. Like you're very proud, you're showing off, showing your ring to people, or you're showing telling people how much bank balance you have. Please don't do that, because you're going to attract evil eye, you're going to attract jealousy, and things might not go as smoothly for you as you expect them to. So stay humble. No matter how much success you get, how much happy you are in your relationship, stop posting much on social media, stop discussing your finances with the people and the big deals that you have signed, because you might attract evil eye, and then boom, all that success is gone, right? So take that as a precaution. And yes, overall, if I look at your entire month, it's going to be wonderful. Yes, there is delay and struggle, but success is 100% written. And if you guys resonated with this reading, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any personal question, very specific question relating to your own life, you can always book a personal reading with me. I do have audio video formats available with me. I do have exclusive no contact love readings, also rituals and counseling sessions as well. And if you have multiple questions, you can always go for a package. The price is less than 1,000 rupees, where you will be given some 4 answers to fix questions and a free remedy worth rupees 251. So check out the description box, and to know the prices, either you can follow me on Instagram. Please do. That's a new channel. I will keep on posting the stories with the prices. You will be able to see the prices of all my services in the highlights as well, and the pinned post. Apart from that, you can always email me on my email ID. So please follow me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.